A very good morning to all. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir. Yes, sir.
so
Yes, sir.
let us start with our event. Our event head, Fiza, please continue.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
I'm Fiza from TYBSC and I welcome you here in this super cool event. What do you mean? So, can you please show next slide?
Fiza, please use your mobile data instead of Wi-Fi.
First
I
of
guess
all,
your voice is breaking.
we are very, very thankful to our principal, Leena ma'am, for organizing events online. What?
Hello,
I'm connected
Fiza.
to Wi-Fi.
So connect to your mobile data.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Fiza, ready?
Yes, sir. Am I audible now?
Yes, much more clear. Chalo, go ahead.
Okay, sir. So, first of all, we are very, very thankful to our principal, Leena ma'am, for organizing events online. What if colleges are closed? Our college always has a comeback solution. So, as you all can see, those people, those two girls in the pic with Leena ma'am. Yes, so we are the event heads, and the third one is my friend Sakshi. Unfortunately, she couldn't join us. So, now, I'd like to thank Nishant sir. He was the one who came up with this idea which blew everyone's mind. You can see him in the picture. Those judges, thank you for judging us. And you and guys, please keep one thing in mind that this whole process was very impartial. Nishant sir was not the one to judge. These judges, Mr. Pravendra Singh, who is an IBDP physics teacher in Switzerland board. Okay, so they were the one who judged, who continued judging, not Nishant sir. Okay, and this is our judge number two, Akash Tak sir. He's from Mumbai. He works as a third assistant director in Kanchanal.
Fiza, are you there? पिज्जा पिज्जा आई और पिज्जा गई नाम की तरह ओके फाइन मैं स्टार्ट करता हूं आई आई कंटिन्यू सो वन ऑफ आवर जज इज Ravindra Singh. He is a physics teacher. uh, he is a teacher in international board. I will be stopping, yeah, pausing in between because I have to add my other students as well. Okay. Other than this, he is a very good person with a very good sense of humor. So I have to approach him yesterday for judging the event. This is Akash. He is 23-year-old. He's working as a third assistant director in a new film, which will, I guess, release in 2020. He's also a web series developer, also an assistant writer to a renowned Bollywood writer, that is Sanjeev K. Jha, who has written this. Other than that, we have taken help from Shiva Mali. He is a teacher of chemistry and also a very good sports player. And not but last but not the least, Sandeep Nishad. He is a teacher of physics. Now, before starting to meme competition and exhibition of all this, everyone takes meme very lightly, and they do not know what is the history behind it or what is the main crux behind a meme. Someone has entered. कौन आया है? Tank full of dreams. Welcome. Okay. Fiza just texted me. There is some issue in a Wi-Fi, some kind of network. So what? Let us. The show must go on. So what do you mean? The purpose of this meme competition was to make an awareness also कि regarding हर कोई meme को बहुत ही lightly लेता है. But this was a biologist, that is Richard Dawkins. In his book The Selfish Gene, he used the first word meme. And he even said कि इसको pronounce कैसे करने हैं, हर कोई इसको में पढ़ता है, ठीक है. So he even wrote in his book that it should be read in a rhyme of cream. Okay. Yo. Next. In his same, this was the person, Dawkins, who defined meme. Meme is not anything which which is funny, but it is an idea that spreads from one brain to another brain, which has a cultural analog to a genes which replicate and spread. He took this Greek word, mime, the word mime. From this word mime, the word meme has been derived. Okay. Now, from here onwards, whatever I am saying, our judge Akash was not able to attend, and as he was having some busy schedule, so I am quoting his words. He has given me message in word form, and he said, "Please share this." So whatever I am saying, it is from the words of Akash. So memes is a study, cultural study, which passes culture, information, and evolution. Then, like when we see any news related meme, we get news there. Man dies from Hanta virus in China. Student खुश हो गए, पढ़ना छोड़ दूं क्या? So is this a meme? Yes, but it is passing some kind of news or some kind of information from one place to another. This is the main idea of meme. Sometimes some people have even quoted what a meme can express in milliseconds. Even 1,000 words can't express it properly. This is the power of meme. Now, telling you something more about meme, Akash says there are 3 tiers in memes. There is tier 1, which is just a simple meme which passes an information. For example, we are all friends here. Yeah, यहाँ पे इसके नीचे लिख दिया होता congratulations for your success. So it is the picture which is depicting the same information what the picture is saying. So no kind of detailed intellectual kind of jokes. सीधा सादा सुधा. Next level is a tier 2 meme, and it includes some personal ideologies, some political or social material, which are meant to be taken as joke but may offend some or the whole community. So therefore we have we have eliminated political kind of jokes, yeah, political kind of memes in our competition. Still some people have sent and we have disqualified them. So this is tier 2 meme. Okay, so tier 2 meme means पीछे बैकग्राउंड कुछ और है, उसका यूज करके हम कुछ और अपना आइडियोलॉजी या पॉलिटिकल या कुछ और मैसेज सेंड कर रहे हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज tier 2 memes. Akash also says there is another third meme that is called as tier 3 memes. बोले तो memes बना है memes के साथ. So this Drake वाला meme is famous. He has used another meme and used another meme. ठीक है. So this is called tier 3 meme, a meme which is based on another meme. Another example is like this. Okay, this is another set of meme. Drake wala another meme, and a car going towards the right is another meme. So in physics के language में tier 1 is scalar, tier 2 is vector, tier 3 onwards it goes to tensor. Okay, chalo. Further, what is pun? And this theme has the least amount of marks gained because लोगों को pun का meaning ही नहीं समझा. And therefore Akash says pun is a word play using a word from another purpose in joke. ठीक है? And he gives the same example like I build this with my bare hands. ठीक है? So this is kind of pun. And pun is also sometimes called as dad jokes. And really dad joke मतलब जो पापा joke मारते हैं. सिर्फ जोक नाम का होता है, हंसी तो आती नहीं है, दैट काइंड ऑफ जोक. That is, a dad joke is a short joke, typically pun, presented as a one-liner or a question and answer, but not narrative. So these are the two example of dad joke. And mostly, if you Wikipedia में देखोगे, उसमें लिखा है dad jokes are not meant to be funny. ठीक है, वो just mood casual करने के लिए होता है. And dad को और है ही क्या काम actually. So, what was the process that we followed to make sure that this competition should be unbiased and impartial? So, this is a screenshot of the Google form that I have received. I have quoted each and every student with a random name, that is Alpha 06, Alpha 07. Then iske niche Bravo 06, Bravo 07, so on and so forth. And only this second, third, and the last vertical columns were sent to our 4 judges with uh, interlinked Excel sheet. Okay, so that even they click on this drive and they got to know, they saw the memes, but they won't be able to know कि ये किसने भेजा है, कौन से कॉलेज के भेजा है, कौन से बच्चे ने भेजा है, वो नहीं पता लगा सकते, because it was coded as Alpha 0607. And in the evening they have made the judgment, and they have just sent me the code that is alpha, example alpha 13 या alpha 20 या bravo 39 वो जीत गया है. So it was purely unbiased, purely impartial. Second thing, none of the judges were from our JVM college. Akash lives in Bhopal, Pravindra lives in Bangalore, Nishad and uh, Sandeep, Nishad, and Shiva lives in Mumbai. So there was no connection, any of them, with JVM college or any of the students linked with this event. So this was my attempt to make it at the most impartial and unbiased. Okay. What was the response that we gained? Response was pretty well from our expectations. 38 responses we have gained so far. 38, each one have sent mostly two. Many of them have sent mostly two. Only few of them have sent only one. Out of this, females 47 participation, males 52, so almost 50-50. Not a big deviation from the mean. And किस basis पे लोगों ने ज्यादा बनाया? So for their first meme, 38 response में से 47% people have chosen online meme teams. Only less people have selected Puntastic, and only 34 for Psy memes. And see, out of 38, only 30 people have sent the second meme. Only 8 people have not applied for your second meme. The rest all have done. So it may be 56. That is, online meme teams was the hot topic for this competition. So, are you ready for memes exhibition? चैट में पता चलना चाहिए कौन कौन आया है, कौन कौन नहीं आया या सुन रहा है. So, are you ready? भाई आर्या अभी
Ready, sir.
Thank you. Let's start. So I will keep for 10 seconds and I will then shift it. You can rotate your phone.
था और मैं दोबारा नहाने गई थी। तुम चने कुकर में चढ़ाकर मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था? कौन था? कौन था? ये राशि कुकर से चने निकाल दिया और खाली कुकर में चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया। ये राशि कुकर से चने निकाल दिया और खाली कुकर में चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया, चढ़ा दिया।
अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। अकाल मृत्यु मरता काम करता जो चंडाल का, काल उसका क्या बिगाड़े भक्त जो महाकाल का। बोले की मस्ती में नाचेंगे सारे, बोले हरेंगे जो कष्ट तुम्हारे, बोले के नाम पे करती है दुनिया पार लगेगा बोले के सहारे, बोले के नाम पे दीवाने हुए हम फिर भूल गए हम तो सारे जिंदगी के गम, तुझे देंगे बोले दर्शन साक्षात सामने, जैसे हनुमान जी को दिए श्री राम के। बोले की भक्ति में मिल के सारे आज बोले हर हर महादेव महाकाल बम बोले, बम बोले, बम बोले, बम बोले, बम बम बोले, बम बोले, बम 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 बोले। चढ़ा है बस बोले हर पल में हर क्षण में है बोले मेरे संग, लेकिन तेरा नाम भक्ति में तेरी ही रहा हूँ, सब कुछ छोड़ के शक्ति में तेरी जी रहा हूँ। बम 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 बोले बोले।
Okay, so you have seen each and every memes. So what was the problem is many of the memes were irrelevant to the themes that they have chosen. Some have chosen, for example, ये लॉकडाउन वाला कौन से थीम के अंडर आएगा? ये साइन मीम्स नहीं है, ये ऑनलाइन मीम्स नहीं है, ये पन भी नहीं है. So some such kind of things that yesterday the judges have commented कि much of the memes were not relevant to the themes. Second, much of the memes were directly copied. Someone have just copied it, and there were many watermark which they have tried to hide it. So ऐसा सब छानने के बाद much of the memes were disqualified, and only few memes were left, and among them they have chosen first, second, third. Second, to make this, hello, आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ सर।
हाँ सर,
Okay.
हाँ सर, आ रही आ रही।
Okay.
हाँ सर।
हाँ, अरे हाँ यार. Okay. To make this much more logical, so if there are any ties between two participants, so we will choose tiebreaker round for taking their time of submission as a tie breaking round. Why? Because किसी person ने 50 hours लेके वो मीम बनाया है और किसी ने 60 hours लेके वो मीम बनाया है, and if they both are getting the same marks, then obviously 50 hours वाले ने ज्यादा productive दिखाई है. So with this kind of logic, we have break that tie between the two participants. Second, as you have all seen, the Puntastic has received the least amount of submissions. So there were only 17 or 18 submissions. So out of that, there is only one winner. That is only first prize. Second, from sign memes and online meme teams, there were ample amount of memes. So therefore, we have decided to give first, second, third prize theme wise. 68 में से all in 68 में से first, second, third नहीं निकाले हैं. हमने हर एक कैटेगरीज में से फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड निकालने का हमने डिसीजन लिया. बट सिंस पंटेस्टिक में देयर वाज ओनली 18 to 19 पार्टिसिपेंट्स, उसमें से फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड निकालना वाज नॉट गुड. सो इसमें पंटेस्टिक में देयर इज ओनली फर्स्ट प्राइज, नो सेकंड, नो थर्ड प्राइज. Whereas in other both of the themes, there are first, second, and third prize. Let's go. Before that, Fiza, do you want to say anything? आपका बंद हो गया था माइक इसके लिए.
Yes, sir. Extremely sorry for that network issue.
एक्सट्रीमली, ये तो ऑनलाइन लेक्चर्स में तो होते ही रहता है. फाइन, इट्स ओके.
हाँ, I just wanted to thank you for coming up with this brilliant idea which blew everyone's mind, sir. So thank
एक्चुअली
you.
ये 1 year back when Fiza was in FYBSc, तब उसने 2 या 3 मीम्स मुझे दिवाली वेकेशन में सेंड किया था, एंड इट वाज रियली फनी. तब मैंने बोला था कि यार ऐसे मीम्स, फिजा ने कहा था कि सर ऐसे कोई कंपटीशन होना चाहिए. तो देन मैंने बोला हाँ चलेगा, हम रखते हैं. एंड मैंने भी ऐसे ही बोल दिया था, फिजा ने भी उसे जोक या लाइटली लिया और मैंने भी लाइटली बोल दिया था. एंड इस साल मौका मिला एंड फिजा और हमने और JVM कॉलेज ने उसे ट्रू करके दिखाया. सो थैंक यू फॉर द सपोर्ट जो हमेशा टीचर्स और मैनेजमेंट टीम हमारे ऊपर रखते हैं, सो दैट हम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर सके और ट्राई कर सके. दिस इज व्हाट साइंस इज अबाउट, एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग. चलो लेट्स गो फॉर द रिजल्ट्स. ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगाएंगे. जस्ट 1 सेकेंड, बहुत सारे लोग एडमिट हो रहे हैं अभी. लेट्स टेक द पंगा और स्टार्ट करते हैं फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड. तो फर्स्ट डिक्लेयर होगा पंटेस्टिक का. So the first prize for Fantastic team goes to This one. Comments में जरा congratulations बोल दो अवनीश को. So it is Anveshin John Paricha from Jan Vikas Mandal Degree College. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
हर बाजी होगी सदा अपने हाथ में, दिल में जो हौसला रहा.
The third place in the online meme team category goes to Panda Jyoti Rani from Mulund College of Commerce, MCC. गोपी ने बचा लिया तुम्हें, पांडा. ओके, अब पंगा हो गया. फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड प्लेस के लिए पंगा हो गया था. दिस आर द टाइमलाइन. दोनों ने 10 नवंबर 2020 को सेंड किया, बट एक ने 1:52 PM को और एक ने 1:24 PM को भेजा. तो जस्ट उसके वजह से सेकंड प्लेस फर्स्ट प्लेस में डिफरेंस आया और कुछ नहीं. इट वाज अ टाई. तो सेकंड प्लेस गोज टू Khan Mahajabi Mazhar from Royal College. Congratulations, Mahajabi. And the first prize in the category online meme team goes to Sahil Kargutkar from Mazhidun High School Junior College. Now the last category, science, from the science category. The third prize goes to Shardul Akolkar from Savitribhai Phule Pune Bhavan. Sorry, Pune University. Actually मैं इधर साहिल शार्दुल के लिए आमी पुनेरी वाला गाना सर्च कर रहा हूँ, इसके लिए जाने तो गया वो मूड. ओके शार्दुल, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. अगेन यहाँ पे पंगा हो गया एंड देयर वाज अ टाई ब्रेकर बिटवीन द टू. एंड टाइमलाइन आप लोग देख सकते हो. सो जस्ट नहीं, काफी घंटे का फर्क है. The second prize goes to Mansi Lokale from Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Architecture. Congratulations, Mansi. I am purposely keeping this slide for more than 5 to 6 seconds. या जो winner है उसको screenshot लेके आज upload भी करना रहा तो इसके लिए मैं रख रहा हूँ. Considering everything. First prize goes to science category में ओमकार सोलंकर AVM Degree College. Maybe chemistry is boring. नहीं, chemistry boring बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. जो भी ऐसा बोल रहा है सुनवा दो, गाड़ दो उसे. So this was, I guess, the show all about. One thing important, memes, fun, jokes, all these are subjective thing. It may be some of the memes that you have felt very, very funnier, but वो judges को नहीं लगा, because judges किस way से judge करे. I have shown you what Akash has said, all that. So judges के पास memes का category, they are taking considering the things that a memes is needed. But जेठालाल हर जगह लगा दे, it doesn't become a meme. So the way of judging was totally in their hands, and I have even showed their bio so that आपको पता चले कि जिसने भी जज किया है वो क्या देख रहा होगा. Obviously प्रकाश एक राइटर बैकग्राउंड से, he was thinking something else, and बाकी केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स और वहां से लिए हैं so that साइंस मीम्स को इक्वली जज कर सके. Thank you so much each and everyone. Please fill your valuable response in the feedback form to help us to improve each and every time. It was a very, very successful event from my side. Thank you so much, each and everyone. First thank goes to our management committee for giving us an opportunity. Even in this lockdown, we came with an idea and they said, yes, go ahead. Then our captain, that is Dr. Leena Sarkar Madam, who always supported each student and each staff for taking tremendous amount of risk, which is always backed up by her wisdom, plan B, plan C, plan D. Thank you so much, Leena ma'am. And यार बिना आपके तो कैसे हो पाता था ये पूरा competition. So all the 38 participants, thank you so much for giving your time, your precious energy, ठीक है, which is equal, or even your efforts and your kind of enthusiasm जो तुम लोगों ने कम से कम एक हफ्ते से वो ग्रुप में दिखा रहे हो. Thank you so much. Please fill the feedback form which is provided और तभी आपको सर्टिफिकेट मिलेगा. Fiza, if you want to say anything, or Lina ma'am, or any of the participants, you can please unmute yourself and continue.
Sir, I just want to thank management of our college and our principal Leena ma'am for giving us the opportunity, and thank you to all the judges. And last but not the least, thank you to all the dear participants for putting us in the efforts.
Okay, so bye bye. Take care. Jai Hind.